Curious about the Alec Baldwin Rust case dismissal? What factors influenced the judge's decision to dismiss Alec Baldwin's Rust case? And what does it mean for the future of film set safety? Today, we dive into the Alec Baldwin Rust case, a tragic incident that shook the entertainment industry on October 21, 2021. This case has captured headlines globally, revolving around the fatal shooting of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins and the subsequent legal proceedings. Recently, the case took a pivotal turn with the judge's decision to dismiss charges against Alec Baldwin, the film's producer and lead actor. This ruling has sparked widespread debate and raised crucial questions about on-set safety, liability, and the complexities of legal responsibility in film production. Join us as we explore the timeline, legal developments, and factors leading to this controversial decision. Stay informed about the implications of this ruling and subscribe for comprehensive coverage on this evolving story and other significant news updates. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more stories like this. Case timeline. Initially, Alec Baldwin, both the producer and lead actor of the film Rust, found himself at the center of a legal storm following a tragic incident on October 21, 2021 at Bonanza Creek Ranch near Santa Fe, New Mexico. On this heartbreaking day, cinematographer Halyna Hutchins lost her life and director Joel Souza was injured during the filming of the movie. Halyna was known for her incredible skill and dedication behind the camera. After the shooting, Joel Souza was quickly taken to a nearby hospital for urgent medical care. The film community and the public were shocked by what happened on set that day. Right after the incident, legal proceedings started to find out exactly what led to this tragedy and who was responsible. The main question was how a live round ended up in the firearm Alec Baldwin used during a rehearsal scene. This accident brought up serious concerns about safety measures on film sets and started a lot of discussions across the country about how the industry operates. As people mourned the loss of Halyna Hutchins, her family, friends, and colleagues shared tributes that highlighted her passion and dedication to her work. She was remembered as a talented and beloved professional. The incident prompted many to reflect on the importance of safety in filmmaking, leading to significant changes in industry protocols. In the aftermath, the entertainment industry saw a push for stricter safety guidelines to prevent such tragedies from happening again. These new measures were aimed at ensuring that everyone on set, from actors to crew members, could work in a safer environment. The Rust incident became a catalyst for change, emphasizing that the safety of film set operations should always be a top priority. This tragic event not only affected those directly involved, but also had a lasting impact on the entire film industry, prompting important discussions and reforms. The changes made in response to this tragedy aimed to honor Halyna Hutchins' memory by making film sets safer for everyone. Initial charges and investigations. Baldwin faced serious charges including involuntary manslaughter, as the investigation delved into whether negligence or mishandling led to the presence of live ammunition on the set. The court proceedings scrutinized every detail of the incident to determine Baldwin's legal culpability and the circumstances surrounding the tragic shooting. The case took several dramatic turns throughout its legal journey. Recent developments saw the Judge Mary Marlis Summer dismiss the charges against Baldwin due to misconduct by the police and prosecutors, who have allegedly withheld crucial evidence from the defense.
Your motion to dismiss with prejudice is granted.
This decision marked a significant moment in the ongoing saga, prompting debates about justice and accountability in the entertainment industry. The Rust case not only highlighted safety protocols on film sets, but also sparked discussions on the responsibilities of actors and producers regarding firearm safety. The legal process underscored the complexities of navigating such incidents within the realms of both law and public opinion. As the industry reflects on this tragedy, questions remain about how to prevent similar occurrences in the future, emphasizing the need for stricter regulations and heightened awareness in film production. Legal developments. As the investigation into the tragic shooting on the set of Rust unfolded, the courtroom was filled with intense moments as various testimonies and forensic evidence were presented. Witnesses who were on the set that fateful day came forward to recount their experiences. For instance, the film's armorer, Halyna Hutchins, testified about the safety protocols in place and the handling of the prop gun. She explained how she had inspected the gun and ensured it was safe before the scene began. However, she also mentioned that she was not aware of live rounds being present on set, which was a critical point of contention. Additionally, statements from other crew members, such as Assistant Director Dave Halls, were crucial. Halls, who had handed Baldwin the prop gun, stated that he had not checked the gun himself but relied on the armorer's assurances. Experts analyzed the bullet that killed cinematographer Halyna Hutchins and injured director Joel Souza. They confirmed that the bullet was a live round, not a blank, which raised serious questions about how such ammunition ended up on the set. The forensic team also examined the firearm, highlighting that it had been tampered with, which further complicated the narrative of accidental discharge. Court hearings and proceedings. Throughout the legal proceedings, the courtroom was abuzz with discussions on Alec Baldwin's involvement in the Rust case. The hearings and legal maneuvers played a pivotal role in steering the course of his trial. Central to the debates were Baldwin's dual hats on the movie's set, as both an actor and producer. Firstly, as an actor, Baldwin faced scrutiny for his direct handling of the firearm that led to the tragic incident. This aspect became a focal point in the prosecution's argument, aiming to attribute responsibility to Baldwin's actions. Simultaneously, his role as a producer came under intense scrutiny. Baldwin's team argued that while he had oversight, safety procedures were primarily a responsibility of designated experts and crew members. The courtroom drama unfolded with these contrasting narratives at its core. The prosecution painted Baldwin's actions as pivotal in the chain of events, stressing his direct involvement with the firearm. Conversely, Baldwin's defense highlighted the complexities of film production, arguing that the ultimate safety oversight lay with other specialized personnel. As proceedings advanced, the legal strategy pivoted around these dual perspectives. The prosecution sought to convince the court of Baldwin's direct culpability, while Baldwin's defense team underscored the broader safety protocols and production dynamics. This nuanced legal tussle influenced the judge's decisions and ultimately the trial's outcome. Judge's ruling. In a recent pivotal ruling, Judge Santa Fe made a significant decision regarding Alec Baldwin's case. The ruling focused on whether key evidence could be presented in court and the legal grounds for charges against Baldwin and others connected to the film production. This decision marked a crucial moment in the ongoing legal saga following the tragic shooting incident on the set of Rust. The judge's determination influenced the course of the trial, shaping how both prosecution and defense strategies would unfold. As a result, it underscored the complexities involved in assigning legal responsibility in such cases, balancing the demands of justice with the intricacies of film industry protocols and safety standards. Factors leading to dismissal. The judge's decision to dismiss the charges in Alec Baldwin's case stemmed from various considerations. These included how negligence laws were interpreted in relation to the incident, the enforcement of safety measures on the film set, and the specifics of what caused the tragic event. This ruling highlighted the complexity of legal standards in determining liability for such accidents. For instance, it addressed whether Baldwin's actions breached expected safety protocols or if there were systemic failures in place. Moreover, it underscored the importance of proving causation, how Baldwin's actions directly led to the unfortunate outcome. Such cases often involve scrutinizing not only the immediate circumstances, but also broader industry practices and regulatory compliance. Ultimately, the judge's decision reflected the nuanced balancing act between legal accountability and the realities of working conditions in the film industry. Public and legal reactions. After the case was dismissed, people had mixed reactions. Many in the public and legal circles showed support for the judge's decision. They pointed out flaws in the evidence presented or procedural mishandlings that justify the dismissal. However, others expressed worry about what this could mean for accountability, especially in the film industry. They questioned whether safety standards would be upheld and if incidents like these might recur. This case has sparked broader discussions about safety protocols on film sets and the responsibilities of those involved in production. The outcome has prompted calls for clearer guidelines and stricter oversight to prevent similar tragedies in the future. Future implications. The dismissal of the Rust case has sparked discussions about safety in Hollywood. People are wondering how such tragic incidents can be prevented in the future. Many are questioning the protocols for handling firearms on movie sets. This incident has brought attention to the need for stricter guidelines and better enforcement of safety measures. Legal experts are debating the implications of this ruling on future cases involving workplace safety. There is concern that without clear accountability, similar tragedies could happen again. Legislators are also looking into drafting new laws to improve safety standards on film sets. The decision in this case could set a precedent for how such incidents are handled in the future, impacting safety regulations across the entertainment industry. In conclusion, the Alec Baldwin Rust case dismissal marks a pivotal moment in the ongoing legal saga. Stay informed as we continue to monitor developments in this case and other breaking news stories. If you liked this video and found it informative, I invite you to hit that like button as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to comment below on your thoughts about how the trail ended.